What up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Also like this video if it has helped you out. Today what I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the stock IPOC. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the news that they've delivered, their big partnership with Walmart. I'll also be talking to you guys about where I see this company going in terms of the price and in terms of their valuation, and I will also be giving you guys more information, because I feel like the more information you have about a certain stock, the more likely you won't panic sell. So when the stock does tend to dip, you won't just go ahead and sell out of your position out of fear. As a matter of fact, you'll end up buying even more stocks because you're going to see how cheap it is compared to where it should be. So right now I'm going to start off with the stock price. So IPOC, as you can see here, just on December 15th, it was in the 1150s. It took a big drop down to the $11. And as you can see, there's a resistance level at 1103. It shot up quickly, and has been trading between that 1106 to 1115, and it's down at 1108. And after hours it's going up a little bit, but not much movement. So today what I'm going to be talking to you guys about is just the price in general. I feel like at this price, at the $11, if it hits anywhere, even if it's $10.98, anywhere at the low 11s and the high 10s is a must buy. It is a must buy if you want to double your money. As of right now, I actually purchased a bunch of shares. I already have an options trade that I've been doing, and I bought that maybe in late November, I believe, or early December is when I bought the option shares, and I'm up pretty big. Even at this valuation at $11, I'm still up. In terms of the price, what I feel is going to happen is in the next coming weeks, or maybe even days, we might start seeing the stock rise up to these levels right here. So it's going to break that 1115, 1120 resistance, shoot up to maybe 1130 if there's another resistance there, and if not, in about a week or so, we should see it trading around these levels until more news breaks out or the market starts to factor in IPOC's news. And from that point on, I feel like once we hit that $12 mark, it won't be going back down to the 11. So that's why I'm saying it's extremely important to buy at these levels, because once we hit these levels, it's not going to go back. So now to the more important things. So IPOC has a valuation of $3.7 billion, and that's with Clover Health. That will be the valuation of Clover Health once it turns to IPOC, from IPOC to Clover Health. In regards to the vote, they're going to be doing a vote and a meeting on January 6th about the stock going to change into Clover Health. So they will be doing a vote. There's a 99.9% chance that this vote will go through. So on January 6th, you could expect this price to even be high before January 6th, and then upon January 6th it'll go even higher, and they will be transitioning over officially on January 8th. So on January 8th, if you have any IPOC stocks like myself, the symbol will change to CLOV and everything will transfer over, so it'll be the same dollar value that you'll be getting. So you wouldn't be losing any money. It's just that the symbol on your portfolio would change. So what I want to talk to you guys about and why I like Clover Health. So it is an insurance company for health, and not only that, they are in IT and doing software where they would have all of the customers' information. So if you're with Clover Health or with the physician or doctor that has Clover Health, the system, everything will transition over onto their system, and they'll keep all your information and give recommendations to doctors, give history for your doctor, so the doctor doesn't have to keep repeating the same questions when you go in about your high blood pressure. If there's history in your family, they're gonna have all that information. So as you can see here in 2013, these are currently their main competitors, so United Health, CVS, and Horizon. You can see 2013 they were barely in the market. 2014 they started improving. 2015 they were under 10% of the market. They started growing their shares of the health and insurance department to over 10%. In 2017 they're almost at 20%, and they hit 20% in 2018. 2019 it's gone up again, and as you can see they've already surpassed Horizon. They caught up to CVS, and in 2020 they passed CVS, so their main competitor now is United Health, and as you can see they own about 25% of the share of the market. So 25% of the market goes to them, and this number will grow exponentially larger, and I could definitely see them surpassing United Health in a few years. So that would just drive up the price in terms of IPOC or Clover Health, which after January 8th. So the reason why I think this will skyrocket is, one, Walmart is looking to launch a brokerage for insurance, so they could provide insurance options to their customers. And what they're planning on doing is they're planning on having a brokerage firm to provide for these companies. So there's 7 companies here, and as you can see, Clover Health is one of the 7. And what Clover Health are doing is they said that they want to make sure that they are going to be the lowest and cheapest in terms of premiums, so how much customers have to pay, and they will offer the same thing or even more things that other companies offer. So it would be a no-brainer for everyone to sign up. When they go through Walmart, they're going to end up signing up for Clover Health over the other 6 people. So right there, and this is going to be in all 50 states, so all over the states. Right now Clover Health are in about, I believe it's 8 or 9 states, and they're going to be licensed through Walmart for all 50 states. And what I like about Clover Health is that Clover Health, not only do they have insurance, but because of their system, any doctor or any physician or anyone in the medical field that decides to take Clover Health's programs and their systems, all the clients would get transitioned and information would go into Clover Health. So at that point they would be able to study more more of their consumers and customers in the health department, and even offer them better premiums than what they currently have, which would transition people from not only having data with them, but they're going to also have them as clients and receiving premiums on these insurances. So that's why Clover Health would definitely they'll keep growing their numbers, and they will easily surpass United Health, and they'll be the number 1 leading market share owner of the insurance for health. Another perfect example as to why I like to invest in them, because of Kamath. So he is the representative of IPOC. As you can see here, he has a list of his stocks that he's represented, and all of them have done really well. Every single one of these stocks have been $10 or well below $10 at the start, and you can see $33, $25. They've all gone up, and he invests in some really good companies and helps them go public into the market. And he only goes after companies he believes in, and he invests millions and millions of his own dollars in those companies and keeps the money in there for years and years to come. So it's not like he's just doing it for some short-term gains. So with that being said, every single time we see IPOC go down in price, buy, keep buying more. The more it drops, the more you'll make. As you can see here, after the drop, people were buying here, the volume slowly hasn't been going up too much, but you'll definitely start seeing bigger volume once the price starts going up and more news starts appearing. You'll definitely start seeing a higher volume of stocks being bought, and price will keep going up. With that being said, if you do have any questions, or you want me to make another update video, or want me to do some research on another stock that you're looking into, leave a comment and I'll definitely do a video for you, whether it's for another stock or an update video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thank you.